Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in your Ford Bronco. First, let's prepare for a safe and efficient oil change. You'll need a few key items: a wrench, an oil filter remover, and a drain pan. Always ensure your Bronco is on a level surface and the engine is cool to the touch. Safety is paramount, so remember to wear safety glasses and gloves. Finally, locate both the oil drain plug and the oil filter for easy access before you begin. Now that you're prepared, it's time to drain the old engine oil. Place your drain pan directly under the oil drain plug. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and then remove the plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out. Allow ample time, typically about 10 to 15 minutes, for all the old oil to completely drain into the pan. Once drained, reinstall the drain plug securely, ensuring it's hand-tightened, and then given an additional 1/4 turn with the wrench for a tight seal. With the old oil drained, let's move on to the oil filter. First, reposition your drain pan under the oil filter housing, as some residual oil may drip. Use an oil filter wrench to carefully remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh engine oil to the new filter's rubber gasket. This helps create a better seal. Hand tighten the new oil filter until it feels snug, then give it an additional 1/4 turn with your hand for a secure fit. Finally, it's time to add the fresh engine oil. Always consult your Ford Bronco's owner's manual for the precise oil type and capacity, which is typically around 6 quarts for many models. Slowly pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the fill port. Once filled, start your engine and let it run for about 1 minute, then check for any leaks around the drain plug and the new filter. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, and then verify the oil level using the dipstick.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.